Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. On today's episode, I got some fun stuff going on. By the way, the yard is a bit of a mess. It's the day after Halloween, so it's time to put things away. On today's episode, I've got a Pan America. That's right, I've got a Pan America on the rack. We're going to install a Vance and Hines slip-on exhaust. I'm really curious to see just how badass this actually sounds. So here we are, guys. First thing in the morning. Wake up to start my day with a Pan America. And we've got a Vance and Hines slip-on to put on. First thing we're gonna do, let's get this door open in here. Let's get the shop going. Good morning, world. So now that we've got the doors open and the lights on, let's get this exhaust installed. But first, coffee. If you like what we do on the channel and you want to support us, you can definitely do that by going to wretchedclothing.com and picking up your very own But First Coffee t-shirt. So today, guys, we're gonna be putting on the Vance and Hines Adventure high output exhaust pipe for the Pan America. Personally, I think this Vance and Hines badge is pretty cool. It's got mountains, hence the name Adventure. But it is part of their high output series. So I'm gonna kick you guys over into time lapse and we're gonna make this flyby. There's no need to walk you through all of this. This isn't so much of a how-to as more of a before and after. So let's get into that time lapse. So there we go. What do y'all think? I kind of like it. I think it looks better than the stock system. It doesn't look so bulky. I'm really curious to see how it sounds. So let's find out. All right, guys, I'm gonna fire this up and we're gonna give you the before audio. Okay, there you have it. That's the before audio, and now the after audio. All right, so there you have it. I think it's a really good improvement. I think it sounds a lot better than when it started. When it started, I thought it was just a little bit too quiet, at least for my liking. I'm excited to get it out on the road and really hear it once it opens up. Let's take a look at it down on the ground where we can give it a 360. Let's give this thing a walk around. Let's drink this up just for a moment. What do y'all think? Leave it in the comments. Do you guys like these? What do you think of the Pan America? I know they've been out for a couple years. I think they've been out for enough time now that we should be able to get some decent opinions from a lot of you guys. What do you think of the aesthetics? What do you think of the sound? Those of you that have ridden them, what do you think of the performance? I'm really curious to know. Do me a favor, leave it in the comments so we can actually have a conversation about it, because I'd love to do that. Let's fire it up again. Gonna give it somewhat of a cold start. Much louder now. Definitely lets you know it's a Harley Davidson. gotta admit, that Pan America is fun to ride. Do me a favor and leave it in the comments what you guys think of this motorcycle and what you think of that platform. The adventure bike is still kind of new for Harley, and it hasn't fully taken off. Do we guys think this will be like the V-Rod, or do we think this will be the wave of the future? Anyways, now that I'm back, Melissa and I are about to load up, and we're gonna head out to Lake Eustace Waterfront Grill. I'm excited for this ride. I wanna check out this restaurant. I hear it's really good, and I'm hungry. So let's go.
Hey y'all.
What's up, guys?
Today we're having lunch at Lake Eustace Waterfront Grill. It's beautiful.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous day in Florida. Sun is shining. The water is got a little bit of movement. Food looks really good. I'm excited.
Food looks amazing.
They have this cute little tiki bar out front. It's not open right now because it's the middle of the day, but great place to come and have a drink. And then the food inside is actually really, really good. So we're gonna take you in for lunch.
Absolutely.
Enjoy.
Do you know what you want to order?
I'm feeling a burger. I'm craving a burger. What about
Gonna
you?
get a burger?
Yeah.
I
They
think
have really good food though, like other food, like seafood and stuff. But...
I think I'm gonna do a Reuben.
Ooh. Do they have a Reuben? You saw it on their menu?
I did.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll let you know.
Wherever you be, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Stay upside and I'll see you on the flip.